name is Dr. Morris Washington. I've been practicing for about 35 years, and I've been doing bariatric surgery for 15 years. My current reusable endoscopes, they require a lot of support staff. First of all, you have to have one person that's doing the procedure with you, a nurse that's charting, and then an additional person to actually process the scopes. You know, the reusable gastroscopes, the regulations behind processing those scopes has become, very rigorous. So using single-use endoscopes has made it where I can do all the procedures with just a nurse that does the charting and a tech that does the procedure with me, and freeing up another tech that can then do other surgical procedures in the OR, which is a really big benefit. What attracted me to using single-use gastroscopes was that I knew that it could improve my workflow. I usually every other Friday do between 10 and 15 upper endoscopies, and that was just very cumbersome when we were using reusable scopes. We have a small area here we do endoscopy. We only have one medivator. If that one medivator goes down, then I know that we are pretty much stuck. And I knew that this would allow us to be able to get through the day for sure, and in addition, not use a lot of the resources. I can tell you what made me say that this is better than a regular gastroscope. One, it's light compared to a reusable gastroscope. Two, the retroflexion on the scope is just incredible. It can retroflex even greater than 180 degrees. So seeing the cardia with these scopes is a real benefit. It's very important to rule out a hiatal hernia in these patients, and this scope consistently gives me a great view of the cardia. I think eventually that reusable scopes will probably be a thing of the past. I embraced new technology very early on. It's nice to know that I'm the leader in the upper endoscopy with single-use gastroscopes. I hope other people will follow with me. It's really increased my efficiency. It's made my staff happier, and I don't have to worry about any infectious transmission.